The Community Spectrum attended the Grand Plaza Outlet ceremony and grand opening. We had the opportunity to speak to community and business leaders about this exciting development and the positive economic impact it will have on our region.
It's very emotional. I know I've been running on very little sleep, as is the whole team here. Everyone's been working night and day around the clock. And, as Armin mentioned this morning, it's been a 13-year journey for the Charles Company and for Armin and his brother. So I'm really excited for them.
This is a new beginning for the community, and it's going to improve the quality of life for the whole area. So absolutely, the revenue that it's going to generate, plus the shopping venue that now they have accessible to them. It's just so many positives.
Job creation, quality of life. It revives the border. Calexico has been struggling for years. This project has been 12 years in the making. So today it's a reality. And my prediction is I think Calexico will be a boomtown like it was in the 60s and 70s.
This is huge for our economy, the whole Imperial Valley, because it brings employment for Calexico, and not only for Calexico, but a lot of people from El Centro is coming over here to get a job, and this will be great. It's going to be supported by Mexicali, and Mexicali is a huge market. So we're excited. We're excited for Calexico. We're excited for El Centro. We're excited for the whole Imperial Valley.
When you shop at locations like this, it means solid sales tax, and the sales tax is going directly to the general fund of the city of Calexico, which means more money for improvements, for law enforcement, for fire protection, for all sports, for all kinds of things. And not only that, look at all these people that have jobs. They have jobs today.
There's a lot of coordination that went on, a lot of hard work, a lot of dedication, and it was just a really good team effort to make this work. So
the job base that was created by this is amazing, and I appreciate all the hard work that was put into it.
This is a project that actually got completed, and it's an extremely important project for Calexico. Now, of course, without the leadership and ownership of Harman Gabay, this would not be possible. What a vision, what a determined owner. And so I applaud him to the utmost. Very, very happy for Calexico.
We are in a win-win situation. Everybody's going to benefit from this. This is a regional thing. We're proud now that Calexico has something that they can call their own, and we can say with pride, only in Calexico.